Sustainability and longevity, maintenance of herb hydroponic systems. The world of herb hydroponics. Herb hydroponics offers a sustainable and efficient way to grow fresh, aromatic herbs right at home. These systems provide long-lasting benefits by optimizing water and nutrient use, making them both eco-friendly and productive. With the right setup and a few practical tips, anyone can enjoy a thriving hydroponic garden, harvesting flavorful herbs year-round with minimal effort. Choosing the right herbs for hydroponic systems. Select herbs suited for soilless cultivation. Consider growth habits, root systems, and environmental preferences. Popular choices: basil, parsley, and mint for optimal hydroponic growth. Setting up the hydroponic system. Selecting containers, trays, buckets, or hydroponic pods based on space and plant needs. Growing mediums: perlite, vermiculite, coconut coir, or rock wool for root support. Components: reservoirs, pumps, grow lights, pH kits, and nutrient solutions. Ventilation: fans and vents to regulate temperature and humidity. Monitoring nutrient levels. Nutrients essential for herb growth: nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Adjust levels for specific herb needs, e.g., basil prefers acidic, parsley neutral pH. Regular testing to ensure a balanced nutrient solution. Maintaining pH balance. Optimal pH ensures nutrient absorption. Basil, 5.5 to 6.5. Parsley, 6.0 to 7.0. Factors influencing pH: water quality, nutrient solution, root activity. Adjustments: use pH up/down solutions to stabilize levels. Preventing algae growth. Impacts of algae: nutrient depletion and oxygen reduction. Clogs in irrigation systems. Preventative measures: block light to reservoirs. Regular cleaning and system maintenance. Pruning and harvesting for sustainability. Pruning encourages growth, prevents overcrowding, and improves airflow. Harvesting. Strategic cutting promotes continuous herb yield. Sustainability in practice: maximize long-term productivity. Checking water temperature. Optimal range: 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Fluctuations affect nutrient uptake and root health. Use water thermometers for consistent monitoring. Cleaning and sanitizing systems. Prevent pathogens and contaminants. Routine tasks. Disinfect reservoirs, replace old water, and sanitize tools. Ensures a healthy environment for plant growth. Adjusting lighting schedules. Light intensity and duration tailored to herb growth stages. Seedlings, 16 to 18 hours of light. Mature plants, 12 to 14 hours. Use LED grow lights for energy efficiency. Managing air circulation. Benefits: prevent mold, regulate temperature, and enhance transpiration. Tools: fans and vents to maintain steady airflow. Encourages robust and disease-free growth. Conclusion: sustaining a hydroponic herb system combines sustainability, precision, and care to ensure long-term success. By maintaining optimal conditions, such as balanced nutrients, proper lighting, and adequate air circulation, you can enjoy a continuous harvest of fresh, homegrown herbs. This approach not only supports environmental responsibility but also brings the satisfaction of cultivating flavorful herbs year-round. Hydroponics is more than just a growing method, it's a commitment to a greener and more sustainable future. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. Your time, engagement, and feedback mean the world to us, and they inspire us to keep creating meaningful content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps us grow and reach more people. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and once again, thank you for being an essential part of our YouTube family.